In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Grok AI chats. Easy setup 2026. First, a quick overview of what we're doing and why. Exporting a chat to a PDF lets you save your best prompts and answers, share results with teammates, or keep a clean record for later. The process is simple and takes just a minute. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Any modern browser works, and the steps are the same on Windows, Mac OS or Linux. If you're on mobile, the flow is similar, but it's easiest to follow along on a desktop. Next, sign into your Grok account. While you can browse without it, logging in keeps your conversations synced and makes sure your history and exports are tied to your profile. It's quick, and it helps you pick up right where you left off. On the homepage, you'll see the main Grok AI chat interface. This is where you normally type prompts and read responses. Take a second to locate the navigation elements around the chat window, especially the area that lists your conversations. To review past conversations, click History. This opens your chat history so you can see everything you've asked and the replies Grok provided. If you have a lot of entries, scroll to find the one you want to keep. Select the conversation you want to export. Clicking it will open the full thread, so you can make sure you're exporting the exact exchange you need, including the specific message you care about most. Within that conversation, look for the three dots icon near the response you want to export. This is the overflow menu for that item. Click it to reveal the available actions. Choose Export PDF. Grok will prepare a nicely formatted PDF of that chat. There's nothing else you need to configure. The default layout is optimized for reading and sharing. The file will download automatically. Watch your browser's download indicator, then check your downloads folder. Open the PDF to verify everything looks right, and consider renaming it so it's easy to find later. If you plan to share it, quickly scan for any private details before sending. That's all it takes to export Grok AI chats to a PDF. You went to grok.com, signed in, opened your history, selected a conversation, used the three dots menu, chose Export PDF, and let the download complete. Keep this workflow handy whenever you want a clean, portable copy of your AI conversations.